Video, I'm going to teach you how to send envelopes using Docusign, a comprehensive tutorial for 2025. Whether you're new to electronic signatures or just need a refresher, this walkthrough is straightforward and easy to follow, getting you set up to send documents for signatures in no time. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is a trusted platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Once you land on the homepage, locate and click the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you're new to Docusign, you'll need to create an account first. It's quick and guided by Docusign itself. After logging in, you'll arrive at your Docusign homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can manage documents and workflows. Look for the Start button. This is your gateway to sending out envelopes. Clicking Start begins the process of uploading the documents that need signatures. Next, upload your document by selecting files from your computer. These files will be added to your Docusign envelope, ready for the next steps. Now, specify who needs to sign the document. Click on Needs to Sign to add your recipients. Enter their names and email addresses to ensure the right individuals receive the document and track their participation in the signing process. Pay attention to the email communication that accompanies your envelope. Click on Email Subject to enter a clear subject line so your recipients understand the purpose of the document. Then click on Email Message to include a personalized message or instructions, providing any additional information they might need before signing. Once you've fine-tuned the email details, click Next. Review all the details to ensure your envelope is ready to be sent without errors. Congratulations! You've successfully created and prepared an envelope for sending in Docusign. Click Send, and your document is officially on its way to receiving the necessary signatures. Docusign will keep you informed of the signing progress. Thanks for joining, and happy signing.